Its main theme is evolution with many different aspects. We have evolution of space, we have evolution of medicine, clocks, music and movies, and many other streams as well. It required a lot of work, and the main theme is, as you can see, it's a solar system, and it's a moving solar system. We used a lot of material for this. The planets that we made were used with that styrofoam balls, and we used different paints, and we painted it with hand ourselves. The lines that you see in the between are wooden pieces. We cut the wooden pieces, and the wiring was turned through hand and made to fix over there. These were asteroid belts, and name tags were added. That's the sun. It has a lighting system inside it using fairy lights, and a motor was placed in the middle part below, which would make it rotate. The wire extends to the downward part, and the whole table was set up by hand by us.
This is the Mama Parsi Girls Secondary School, and it is celebrating its 105th anniversary this year. This event is the grand exhibition, which we are hosting for 3 days. It is called Evolution, and it is about how things have evolved over the years, over the centuries, and it is our humble effort. It is a research-based exhibition in which research has been done of how things have evolved over the years and centuries. It's an absolutely research-based exhibition, and we have tried to focus on 12 fields, which is food, fashion, space exploration, animal husbandry, transport, and so on.